केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन बोलतायत, थेट जाऊया तिथेच.
Has been received by over 2 crore 61 lakh people, and the second dose has been received by 5 lakh 23,268 people. Those above 60 years of age, over 3 crore 75 lakh people have received the first dose, and over 13 lakh people have received the second dose. And for receiving all these doses all over the country by the various priority groups, the country has organized 14 lakh 28,500 sessions. Till now, we have exported 6.45 crore doses to 84 countries, and this had happened in fact till fortnight back, which includes 1.05 crores to 44 countries as grants, 3.58 crores to 25 countries as commercial contracts, and 1.82 crores to 39 countries through the COVAX facility of WHO. As far as on the testing front, the update is that we have a testing capacity and capability of testing over 13 lakh people in a day, and till now we have tested over 25 crore 71 lakh 98,000 people in the country, and in the last 24 hours itself we have tested 13 lakh 64,000 people. From a journey which started with one lab, today we have come up to 2,449 labs in the whole country. Lot of people talk about these hospital beds and the isolation beds, ICU and oxygen supported facilities. So let me assure the GOM that all our facilities are quite well maintained. Those even where, because of the cases which were declining, they had changed them to normal activities. They are now again being revamped, and we right now have 15,440 dedicated healthcare facilities for COVID, which have more than 18 lakh 52,000 beds in the whole country, along with 12,673 quarantine centers. As we have been informing that all through this campaign, even today itself, whosoever requires any help in terms of medical equipment, ventilators, etc., so we have already delivered 408.49 lakh and 95 masks, 169.51 lakh PPE kits, and almost 37,000 ventilators to the whole country. So the situation today, we are all aware that we are witnessing a surge in COVID cases. This week itself, I had a video conferencing with all the 11 health ministers of the states where the majority of the cases are being contributed from.